Okay. This is a little fuzzy, but what we have here is Maddie and Uncle Doug about to do a rocket launch.
Wait, Scott.
Yeah?
You want a burger, right?
Of course.
Okay. Wait, think Karen? Maybe 13.
Let's see what we can zoom in on. That's Maddie. Too far away. And there is Uncle Doug putting the rocket on. We have one last to go. Okay. Now we're going to scale back to give you all a sense of what's about to happen. This time the aiming should be better. Last launch. Last launch of the evening.
Oh, I thought you meant Hey. Another one? Okay. Launching it?
There it should be ready.
Who's up there? Is Matt up there?
Matt's up there. Okay. Okay, we need all eyes here.
Daddy!
Rocket time!
The last launch.
Michael. The last launch!
Last launch!
We'll see if we can get the countdown. I guess once you've seen one, you've seen them all.
Oh no, each one is more exciting than the one before.
Okay!
Okay.
Here's the countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Wow!
Woo!
Here it comes! Everybody look out! Okay, look out! Here it comes! Here it comes! Whoa! Nice shot! Oh! It almost hits the pool! Woo! Oh no! There's a half of a rocket! That was the best one.
That was great.
And the crowd reacts.
That was
It should have gone in the pool.
It should have gone in the pool.
Oh!
Reaction.
I was afraid it was going to hit one of the children.
Oh, the women are panicking.
It almost hit
It's perfect.
That would have been cool if it went.
What was that cool?
It
Was that fun?
So close. Yes.
Michael, what do you think?
Oh, it was amazing!
It was amazing. Karen is worried about the food. Honey, did it affect the food?
No, but I was worried there for a minute.
Okay.
It was going to land in the grill.
It almost hit the grill.
It was headed right for
That
us.
came 10 feet from the pool. It could not have been better launched. Recovery team, what is your report? Recovery team, what is your report? It's split in half, excellent. The recovery team reports it is split in half.
Actually, it was thirds, I believe.
Thirds? How is it even possible? No wadding. Split in half, wow! It's completely destroyed. Let's look. Let's look.
Right there.
The camera's still here. Let's examine the rocket. Julia, hold it up. What are the results, the recovery team? Have you recovered all the parts of the rocket?
Yes.
Yes. Do you have all the parts?
Yes.
What condition is the rocket in?
Bad.
Bad. Oh no! Do you advise continued use of C-grade engines?
What? Yes.
Yes!
What that is.
Hey, that was the best launch ever, you guys. Da da da! Take a bow. Take a bow. Woo! Woo! Maddie aimed it.
No,
What are the results?
He aimed
Uncle
it.
Doug.
I just hit
Woo!
the button.
Woo!
The cone came down like right there. Yeah, that's where
The
cone
rocket
was.
is separated into three parts.
I didn't miss by much.
A near hit. Woo!
Yeah, well, we're out of engines because once I had it perfectly set up, this little tweak, and I would have gotten you next time.
That's it. That's it. It's all over. Okay.
If I had moved, I would have got the cone.
All right. This is too much excitement. Cone, can you please reassemble the remains of the rocket
Okay.
for display only?
Okay, got it. Oh, it's hot.
Oh. Yeah.
Yeah, I got to mention that.
Okay, launch team. What is your report, launch team?
That was good aim. You couldn't
That
aim
was
it any better.
that was close.
Could it have been aimed better? No.
Actually, all I was thinking about when I saw it coming down was, the cars.
The cars.
If that hits the beamer, I'm in serious
Okay.
trouble.
The women and children. Were you nervous?
No.
Women and children, were you scared?
No.
They were hugging.
Children, were you
No.
nervous? Were you scared?
No.
Okay. Okay. Rocket Assembly Chief, Rachel Johnston.
It's not working.
It's not working? Okay.
It won't go
All right.
through.
All right, I declare it a success.